Doing my homework.
I finished it.
I got an iPad from school.
What the dog doing?
I'm going to be doing my homework, and then I'm also going to be studying for a test, my physics test that I have tomorrow, and I was just told today that how it works, so I guess we're gonna study for that.
I don't know when I started my homework, but I finished it.
It is like 5, and I still have to study for that physics test. But I don't think it's that hard, so I'll just go revise later. I got an iPad from school. Thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it so much. But the blonde's brother looks so fine. I love Isaac.